What if one nation could redraw a continent's future, while a single stock's surge signals deeper tremors in India's economy? Welcome to World Pedia, where we unpack the global headlines shaping your tomorrow. Buckle up for today's episode. In just 2 decades, China has exploded from a marginal player to South America's dominant trade partner, investing billions in infrastructure and resources such as lithium and copper. From the immense Chancay port in Peru to the Belt and Roads expansion in Latin America, Beijing isn't just changing trade routes, it's shifting political influence, challenging the US, and reorienting resource flows for a multipolar global future. Is Beijing's empire paving a new world order in the Americas, or sowing seeds of rivalry with Washington? India's foreign policy stands at a crossroads, caught between ambitious slogans and historical realism. Over the decades, it evolved from non-alignment through Cold War alliances to today's delicate balancing act with superpowers. The hard lesson? Diplomatic catchphrases can't replace strong economic foundations or military preparedness. As China flexes its muscle, India must forge strategies rooted in pragmatism, not just prestige. Will India's leaders finally embrace realism to secure the nation's global aspirations? Recent headlines rocked the Gulf as Israeli forces launched an unprecedented attack on Hamas leaders in Doha during ceasefire negotiations, driving diplomatic tensions sky-high in the region. Qatar's dramatic condemnation signals new rifts in Middle East geopolitics, threatening vital trade corridors and the trust behind normalization agreements like the Abraham Accords. The world watches for escalation, proxy war, and ripple effects on energy and security. When one city is attacked, can the whole region stay immune from conflict fallout? Back home, India's stock news grabs attention. SpiceJet's shares soared after settling debts and securing fresh liquidity, snapping a daunting losing streak amid fierce industry struggles. Even so, supply shortages, grounded fleets, and profit warnings continue to shadow the comeback, revealing deep market risks. Can India's aviation industry rebound, or is volatility the new norm? Globally, gold prices dip briefly as traders assess US inflation data and central banks weigh new policies. Despite momentary pullbacks, analysts expect gold to remain volatile but resilient, driven by haven demand amid uncertainty, rate cut hopes, and geopolitical flare-ups. Is gold still the safest bet, or could new data rewrite investor fortunes? Finally, India's inbound tourism faces a less crowded holiday season, failing to hit pre-pandemic highs due to muted bookings and lack of aggressive promotion. Global tensions, regional conflicts, and marketing gaps have dampened overseas interest. Will campaigns and peace boost India's tourism comeback next year? In every headline, one truth emerges. Our world is more connected, volatile, and unpredictable than ever. Stay tuned to Worldpedia for your passport to understanding global shifts. Like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives.